Welcome friends in class 11th. Our subject name is accountancy and we are going to learn today first chapter of accountancy, which describes how accounting is done in day-to-day business life. It is very important as we are seeing globalization all around us. Therefore, accounting helps that globalization to work properly. Now, what do you mean by accounting? What is the purpose of accounting? Let us learn through a definition given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. It is very important. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Now here you see, when we start, accounting is the art of recording. Art of recording means whenever a transaction takes place, it is the duty of the business or businessman or the appointed CA to record that transaction of business into the books of accounts, that is general or ledger. Okay, so we are going to record those transactions and then we are going to classify and summarize in significant manner. That significant manner is a specific way by which we are going to record the transactions in the books. Now, if you see, first you have to identify the transaction. First you have to identify the transaction. After identifying the transaction, what happens is we record the transactions into the books, that will be recording the transactions. Recording of the transactions can be done in two parts. When the business is small, it can be done in general. We can pass the journal entry. But when the business is large, big business, in such a case, subsidiary books are maintained. We will talk about this later. Subsidiary books are maintained to record the transaction. After recording of transaction, what happens is we move to classification of transaction. Like in the school, when admission opens, all the person take admission and then after having the list of students, we bifurcate different classes like class 11A, 11B, 7A, 7B, 8A, like that. We bifurcate the students in different classes according to their subjects or class. So that is called as classification. That means here we are going to record the transactions in separate accounts. That is called ledger accounts. Okay. After classifying, what happens is we do the transactions year-wise and then we summarize them. We close the accounts. We transfer it one place and we calculate the financial profits or losses of the year and the financial position of the business, and therefore we have to summarize the transactions. This is called summarizing, in which we are going to prepare profit and loss, and balance sheet we are going to prepare. In trading profit and loss, we find out the profit of the current year, and balance sheet we prepare for the financial position to check the financial position of the business. After that, we interpret the results and communicate to the users of accounting. It is very necessary to understand why interpreting and communicating is necessary. Interpreting helps the businessman to understand the difference between the two positions of the business or they can compare with the competitors of the business. And when they communicate to the users of accounting, that means the accounting information is useful to some persons, and when they check the things, they used to invest in the business of the company. Therefore, it is very essential for the company to communicate the thing. Again, when we go, the process starts from the beginning to end, and therefore it is also known as accounting cycle. It is also known as accounting cycle. Every time from the beginning of the year, we start the identifying of transactions. Then we record the transaction in terms of money. It may be small or big business. Sorry. General or subsidiary books will be recorded accordingly. Classifying of ledgers, summarizing, and then